Good Friday morning, everyone. Thank you for joining Lydia Boy Productions for another morning minute that matters. Today, we explore the concept of political piracy of evil. This narrative paints a picture of a political force that is utterly corrupt and parasitic, stealing from the public for its own gain while inflicting great harm on innocent people. The word evil emphasizes the immorality and destructiveness of this piracy, characterizing the act as inherently malicious rather than simply opportunistic. Such political corruption profoundly affects emotional regulation. When citizens are subjected to constant betrayal and exploitation, feelings of anger, frustration, and helplessness can escalate, leading to a breakdown in mental health. However, practices of emotional fitness can help counter this evil by promoting resilience and emotional awareness, allowing individuals to process their feelings constructively. Moreover, the environment fostered by this piracy incites violence and contributes to pointless murders against innocent Americans. When trust in institutions erodes and people feel marginalized, some may resort to some extreme measures as a misguided response to their suffering. This cycle of violence only deepens societal divides. To combat this emotional fallout, it is essential to promote awareness, dialogue, and compassion alongside remedies from emotional fitness such as mindfulness, cognitive reframing, and community support. By encouraging understanding and implementing these practices, we begin to heal the wounds inflicted by this political piracy and strive for a more just society. No kings in these rings of societal unity. Thank you for taking a moment with us to reflect on this pressing issue. This is a Lydia Boy Productions media and consultant firm product. This content is copyrighted. Now go win your day.